I want to show you how you can create a passive stream of income in under just 10 minutes. Let me show you how it's done. You start off by creating a new store on Etsy, then you go into Etsy and type in a unique digital product or item. Filter the results by popularity to guarantee your item sells. Pick the best selling item, copy it. You then use a basic template, add a secret touch to make it yours, upload it back onto your Etsy store, and that's it. You sit back and watch the money roll in. Today, I'll walk you through the simple process of selling your digital products on Etsy to guarantee that they sell to make you money really quickly. You must be thinking Etsy is far too saturated to make money from. This is a bad idea, right? Here's a success story of a blogger who started selling digital products on Etsy and made her first $1,000. Not only that, she's a mother of one and started absolutely from nothing. So, what is Etsy and Canva? Etsy is an online marketplace where millions of creators sell unique items, like a virtual craft fair without the hassle of setting up a stand. Canva is your go-to design companion, perfect for both experienced designers and beginners with its easy interface and abundant templates. Let's get down to business and figure out how to combine these two powerhouses and start generating some serious money. If you haven't already, head over to etsy.com and sign up for an account. It's simple. Once logged in, click on Sell on Etsy and follow the prompts to create your shop. Go through the prompts, and once you come to Tell us about your listings, click on Digital File and complete the process. Why digital products and not physical? The reason why we want to sell digital products is because we don't need to hold any inventory. So each time a customer buys your product, they just receive the item by downloading it directly to their phone or computer. This means there's no postage and packaging. It's available 24/7 globally, and most importantly, there's zero upfront cost in getting started, meaning it's risk-free. Finding a winning product. Before you start creating your digital product, make sure it has the potential to be a bestseller. Research Etsy. Go to Etsy and type in the product you wish to make, such as a customizable calendar. Sort search results by most sold. This enables you to determine which ideas or concepts are already popular and in demand. Analyze and innovate. By examining top selling items and identifying their unique selling points, consider adding your own unique twist. For example, if you're offering customizable calendars, consider adding a hilarious pun or joke on each page to make it truly yours. Now that your shop is up and running, let's work some magic with Canva. Choose your product. Open up Canva and select the type of digital product you want to create. Whether it's a printable, a digital download, or anything in between, Canva has thousands of templates to get you started. So what I did is, I picked this calendar that closely resembles the winning product that we saw earlier. Now to make this item ours, and for it to start selling fast, we want to go into Elements and then type in pun or jokes. Pick an animation and drag and drop it into the design and adjust as needed. You can then go on to do the same for all the other months by adding pages. Export your design. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, hit that export button and save your creation as a high quality PDF or image file. Now comes the fun part, listing your digital products on Etsy. Upload your files back on Etsy, navigate to your product listings and click on digital files to upload your Canva design. Set your price. Time to put a price on your hard work. Consider your time, effort and the value you're providing to your customers. Write a killer description. Describe your products in a way that highlights its features, benefits, and what sets it apart from the competition. And here's how I did it. I copied the description from the winning product, then went over to ChatGPT and wrote the following prompt. Then copy and paste the description and watch how ChatGPT rewrites it all uniquely just for you. You can now take this new description and use it directly in your listing. Now that your product is listed, use Etsy ads to increase your visibility by having your listings appear at the top of the search results. Monitor your sales to ensure a 60% profit margin after all costs. If it drops below this, stop advertising and switch to another product. Leveraging Etsy ads and keeping an eye on margins will maximize your chances of success. I use Printify.com to ensure I account for everything and that I can decide whether to carry on selling or stop advertising on a certain product. Keep doing this over and over until you have all your winning products selling consistently well. For any further tips and tricks, I have added a complete guide for selling on Etsy in the description below. You're on your way now, and there you have it. Get out there and start turning your passion into profit. Give this video a like and a subscribe for more interesting content. Thank you for watching.